Westminster Shorter Catechism, Question and Answer 1. Catechismus coitus Westmonastariensis Theologis Anglicis et Scoticis compositus in usum classicordrum discentium civitatibus amardri canis J.A. Ross, humaniordrum literardrum et Graecae linguae professore ac curante, exemplar preordribus auctius et emendatius, Philadelphia excudit J.A. Maxwell, 1813. Here is the title page for the text I'm using in this series. The Catechism of the Westminster Assembly. Coitus is masculine, singular, and genitive. It's a fourth declension noun. And Westmonastariensis is masculine, singular, genitive also, and modifying it. It is a catechism, catechismus, that was composed, compositus, by theologians who were English, Anglicis, and Scottish, Scoticis. Catechismus is actually a word of Greek origin, and that's why we can see in it what looks like a he. This ch here is the Greek letter chi. So it was composed, compositus, by English and Scottish theologians for the use in usum of those who are learning the classics, classicordrum discentium, in the American states, civitatibus Americanis, in the United States. And I'm taking these as third declension locatives for those learning the classics, classicordrum discentium, in the United States. J.A. Ross, who is a professor, professore, of literature, humaniordrum literarum, and of the Greek language, ac curante, overseeing its production. These professore et accurante, these are ablatives, and this expression then is an ablative absolute, with J.A. Ross overseeing the production of it. And this is an exemplar, a copy, that is auctius et emendatius, more full or more augmented and more accurate than previous ones, prioribus. This prioribus is a neuter, plural, and ablative of comparison. Finally, we have printed excudit at Philadelphia. Philadelphia is a locative, printed at Philadelphia by J.A. Maxwell in 1813. Catechismus Westmonastariensis minor. Hic cardracter notat syllabam esse longam, hic cardractar notat syllabam esse brevem. Prima quaestio. Quis hominis finis est praecipuus? Responsio. Praecipuus hominis finis est, Deum glorificardre eodemque frue in aeternum. So, first the title. The Catechism, the Westminster Catechism, the shorter one, the minor, Westminster Shorter Catechism. And then this annotation here, added by Ross, this character, hic caracter, indicates that the syllable is long. This character indicates, notat, that the syllable is short, brevem longam. This helps with pronunciation. The first question, prima quaestio. What, quis, is the praecipuus, the chief or primary finis, end or purpose of a human being or of man? Notice the word order here. The genitive hominis comes immediately after the interrogative, and finis, which is modified by quis, comes after. Finis is a masculine, singular nominative noun of the third declension, and it continues by asking which of the ends of man is praecipuus, the chief or the primary one. The answer, responsio, praecipuus hominis finis est. Notice it repeats the majority of the question. The chief end of man, or man's chief end, a human being's chief end, is, and then what we have here is a set of two infinitives, glorificardre and frue, and each one of them, connected as they are by que, give the two parts of the answer, namely, glorifying God, Deum glorificare, and enjoying frui, the same one, meaning God, eodem masculine, singular, and ablative, enjoying the same one forever, in aeternum. Frui is a third conjugation deponent verb, fruor, frui, and it always patterns with the ablative, which is actually an ablative of means, to gain enjoyment by that same one meaning God, forever. This medallion is a portrait of William Twiss, who lived from 1578 to 1646. He was appointed prolocutor of the Assembly by the Parliament on June 12, 1643, but he died before the Assembly adjourned.